Okay, so I'm so embarrassed. This is my bedroom. I'm currently reorganizing all of this chaos here. That is where I work daily. This is me trying to get organized. The chandelier that I made. My mural I did. This is my bedroom. This is sort of my, like, this is like my vision board above my bed. These are salvage doors that I love finding stuff. So anyway, I'm living chaotic, as you can see. I purchased from the 99-cent store. Okay. So, I'm going to show you what I thought I can do with these things. These I eventually want to use for my individual portfolios. And then these I want to organize with all the stuff that I have the most. I thought this was great. This is a first aid box. Who doesn't need that? And then I have my indexes, and these are fantastic. These I found at the 99-cent store, and what I had to do was I cut a piece of cardstock and just to make some kind of labels I can write on to tell me what the book is. But these are business card holders. So I thought that was fantastic. I figured I was looking for a way to organize the subscriptions that you have to sign up for online. All these passwords and stuff. So I've signed up for stuff years ago, and signing up for those things. Each website you have to put you have to sign in with a password and a username. Who can remember all of that? I try to use the same one for everything, but when I first started on the internet, I didn't really do that. I didn't think about that. I'm a creative person. I should have came up with something, but I didn't. Okay, so there you have it. So as a result, I have a 2-inch folder of subscriptions to websites. And some of them I go back to, some of them I don't go back to. But the ones that I am going to be keeping, I'm going to put in this book. Especially when I, job searching or etc. Alright, so that's it. So I'll show you another video of what happens with all of this stuff. Okay, thank you. Okay, this is my front door. This is the back of my front door. And I have 4 things that I work on regularly, which are graphic design, face painting, cakes, and regular art. So regular visual art. So I was trying to figure out a way to get organized. Plus I have kids, so tried to organize it all. So I came up with this idea. The door is magnetic, is steel, so it's magnetic. So I got this magnetic tape. I made all these labels to remind me of things to do for each category. Okay.